Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a thumbnail using this app called Pixelab. Now you can download this on your Play Store or maybe iTunes. I don't know. I don't know a lot about apps for downloading things. I don't know anything about iPhones because I never had an iPhone in my life before. I'm using this phone. But yeah, let's just get into it. This is Pixel Labs. Now, what you're gonna have to do is pick this custom. There's an option for YouTube channel banner, YouTube thumbnail. What you want to do is press YouTube thumbnail. Now, this is for the suggestions. These two numbers right here, that's for the suggestions. Now, I don't want to be this one. If you want to choose, you can choose it from here or even from your gallery. So I'm going to choose that, and you can decorate it however you want. Perhaps I'm going to add a text. I'm going to have style, samples. We've got a lot of samples, and this one I like. You can decorate it. Now perhaps this is just an example, just to show you how to you can decorate it. So perhaps I want that. Make it like that. Or even creative, you can just edit and erase the thumbnail and just do that. You can choose the size, how big you want it to be. You can rotate. Now I like that. Now that I like. Now you can just add another text, style, browse, choose the same thing, and then we could rotate it. You could do that. And resize your text and be a little bit more creative. Now you could put like that and change the color. From what I've seen from most YouTubers, they use this type of method. I saw this somewhere from a YouTuber, but I forgot what his name is, but so sorry. You can add shapes, stickers if you want. You can just add emojis, shapes, normal stickers. There's a lot of options you can do. You can do this. Done. Then you could add another sticker. You can add this, which is optional. Now, if you want to zoom in, you can just do that. Now press the plus button again. You can do that. That's how you get it to look like that. Now I'm gonna add another sticker. Add a thumbs up button. Now what I'm gonna do with it is to make a 3D shape. Now do like that. Yeah. Then you click 3D rotate. Now I'm also gonna add one more sticker, which is going to give this a little bit more creative. I'm just gonna add 1000. No. If you want to redo it, press that. Now I'm gonna zoom for this one because this is a little bit hard. Add another sticker. This is going to be creative. Really creative. No, change it to this one. This one has... Now zoom out, press it again. Now I want to add text. Colors. I'm gonna choose black for this one because it's gonna go inside there. Now I'm gonna resize it. Change it to a little bit more smaller because it's a small box. If you want, you can resize it back again. There. So that's how you can make your own thumbnail. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like down below and subscribe. And I'll talk to you in the next video. Goodbye.